Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install audio drivers for a Gigabyte motherboard. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Click CMD. WMIC space. Baseboard space. Get space. Product, manufacturer. Copy manufacturer and product details. Open any browser. Paste and search details. Open manufacturer website. Click support. Select OS and OS type. Click download. Open and extract file. Run setup file. Click next. Finish to restart system. Open Realtek Audio Manager. Click folder. Headset is connected to front panel. Check disable front panel jack detection. Click OK. Now front panel headset connected successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.